Good morning, good morning. It is 4:39.
Hey guys.
We're starting an adventure today. Right now we're waiting for the Uber to whisk us away to a faraway land that technically isn't still in the United States. But I'm going to be vlogging. So let's do it. All right.
Oh golly, triangle. What the fuck? Yo.
Oh, no way.
Never been anywhere having ass niggas.
Yeah, I've never been to Puerto Rico. What? Alright.
Never been in public ass niggas.
Yeah, we are apparently getting climbed. Because I'm excited for this Puerto Rico trip. It's still barely freaking 5:38. And we start boarding at 6 in an hour. We came early. Thankfully, there was no issues with baggage claim or TSA or nothing like that. So, I'm ready.
Siempre que tú me ves, ando con la combi entera, ready pa' lo que sea, bebé.
Baby, tú sabes que yo ando siempre con la cartera, te da, dale, prendo otro blow.
Oh my god. Where's Kieran at?
The big trip.
Stones in it. You niggas so soft for cut boys up, ain't got no bones in them. Fuck around, fire, spit some blood all on my crown denim. Nigga mad at me, be mad at your hoe, the fuck is wrong with him? Y'all took that front end on intentions of doing a song with him. ITS, US, anywhere, everywhere, nigga, we hot. These niggas so laying around, they jury inside the house. I ain't fuck with these niggas, I'm master. Moving around like a bastard. I ain't going back and forth, no sucker ass. Nigga who fill out faster. First nigga tug on my chain, make an example, make a disaster. I like my hoes, no face, no case, my bitch straight out Nebraska.
Yeah, so guess what, yo? We just touched down in Puerto Rico. Fucking look at the sky. No clouds whatsoever. Sun is beaming on my damn face. I'm glowing like a mother. And I got this little sangria pouch in my hand. These niggas, bro, they love to drink. Keep crossing. They love to drink, and they got me on some crazy shit already. So, you know, I can't slack, man. You can't even knock this shit anymore. But yeah, day one, just touched down. Let's do it.
Damn, look at this water.
It's the famous Spider-Man in Highland Boulevard in Staten Island. That's right.
Bitch, I'm outside with a whole lot of guap. I'm in LA with a sun.
I'm lost. I'm lost.
To be honest, I don't know how I'm feeling inside. I don't know if I get it or why. I don't know if I'm really that guy. I just owe my feelings a break. I just know my feelings could cry. I just know that I really could die.
life. I put all my faith in the digital mind. I could post it, I'm dead, and niggas would know, but they wouldn't feel pity inside. Or maybe they would, I'm tripping. No, it, I'm good, I'm tripping. I'ma stay for the fruit, then I'm dipping. I'ma talk to your granny and leave. I was mixing the proof for the pudding and panicking. How did I manage to be here, to be honest?
Yeah, man. Hey, say, man.
By the weather and the scenery and the fucking chickens everywhere. You have San Juan, it's
All right.
different.
Look, we don't even know how to act. First thing we're gonna do is fucking pull up the cameras. Why? Because we are known absolutely for filming and recording everything. If you're seeing this, no, if I'm seeing this, you're seeing this too.
My heart on my sleeve, boom, boom, straight face when I breathe. Put the Remy on the ice. Cognac. Edgar Allan pulled up, lean on me. The deuce, rolled up too damn quick. Shawty shut me out nice. Stone like a path through gardens. Green plant, nigga, a botanist. Soon as I get the deposit, loud man, liquor regardless. Uber to the pussy, I'm ballin'. Gucci on my boss in the ball, man. No plan, moving with no brain. Wonder why I'm feeling so mundane. Same old circle of trifle. Plan on breaking the cycle. Till the shawty send me them news. Then it's right back to titties and tyro. I thank God for that potty. God for this bottle. She a Coca-Cola copy. And she knows me, no poppy. Gon' be fiending for her. Yeah. Head game cracking, she a club with the fuck. Right now I'm on the road, no time to butter you up. No. My heart on my sleeve, boom, straight face when I breathe. Put the Remy on the eye.
I know the art of fight, I know the art of war. That's all I ever studied. That's why I'm so feared. That's why they feared me when I was in the ring. Cause that's all I was an annihilator. That's all I was born for.
And we back. So, I don't know what boardwalk we're on right now. All I know is this is my boy right here behind me. And he's come lurking out of the shadows. He's gonna sniff some butts.
Smell like.
And touch on. Wait, whoa.
Hey, give me some money, little boy.
Oh, dang, the sunset. You can actually see it in the back a little bit.
Clouds look far. You need these receipts?
Not already. Just talking about.
Shoot, let's steal a jet ski, guys.
Ay, deja tu frescura, mami, venga, dame cintura. Pa' que se vaya la rechura. Si te digo te voy a recogerlo en cura. Ay, se quiere bandido y yo más que tú que soy bandido. Tú atrás de mí con marido, ahora el ego y eso suena chido. Y tú di que primo es loca. Ven pa' acá y abre la boca. Que como tú que tan poca, no digas nada que hoy se choca. Lupita, sí que sí, dame cinturita. Sí que sí, dame cinturita. Sí, dame cinturita. Ay, Lupita, sí que sí, dame cinturita. Sí que sí, dame cinturita. Sí, dame cinturita. Ay, Lupita, sí que sí, dame cinturita. Sí que sí, dame cinturita. Sí, dame cinturita. Ay, Lupita, ay que sí, dame.
All right, so it's day 2 down here in the city. We are going on a beach tour today. Beach adventure, beach excursions. Touching the water, the ocean. We have like a 1.5 hour drive to the beach. I don't know why. We're in the mainland. We got our personal Lyft Uber driver, really just DD. Yup, I got Joel.
100,000 off one call is unbelievable. Draco made a hit with this. Yeah. 100,000 off one call is unbelievable. You can learn this duet too, yeah, I swear it's teachable. Phone on D&D, when I work, I'm unreachable. One against 10 custos, I'm unbeatable. Get money all year round, I'm not seasonal. I might learn who he really wanna be. Can't be replicated, yeah, I'm sorry, only one of me. Open in the lifestyle, every day we live for free. A lot of pieces on the site, it's like I'm on a shopping spree. 1v1 with my custo, with no referee. My blue phone and my blue pair, it's a part of me. My voice cracking up, I told my bitch to make me some tea. Put some honey in, add some lemon in that bitch, please. Crack it up.
Good googly moogly. What am I gonna do to this goddamn burger?
Crunchy. Charge for the game, baby.
Yeah, a symphony. We need more beanies though, but throwback. Back then it was boot cuts, hood like the Ku Klux, freaky girl tryna do us. Took L's, had no tutors, you wanted litness, you had to get it right through us. First them tryna move us, stop and search, we saying we just some students. All my exes knew where the food was, rubbing their bellies, touching their fupas. Now my hair grew longer, the cargo's flared. Push the start but wear khaki bare. I rock pieces, making them stare. No, we don't dress like them and there. I just need my cut, my share. I got connects like Bluetooth pair. No boundaries, I'm jumping. Come like I'm bumping the fish.
Mash up.
We're supposed to get ourselves some UTV rentals, but it's looking a little pricey, a little out of the budget. And is walking on foot an option? Fuck no. So the next best option is getting a taxi to the best premium location, the most premium spot on the island.
Chase. I wake up, get to it, take one to the face. My neighbor kids think I work at the bank. I cut off my queen and I part 8. I don't engage in a conversation without rank. When my nigga Johnny, your mind go blank. This Draco with hit with no soldier, reloaded and crank. I'm going hard for the ones say I can't. Show my G, my bitch ass fake. I'ma get rich without trying. I can see money if I woke up blind. This just the mind of the crook. You do what you can, I do what it took. I'm straight on the road and my foot on the gas. I gotta go first, cause you could die any second. Playing you ain't gon' last. I've been doing fine on my own. I'm stuck on that road to get rich. I'm fucking the money, she cut on my wrist. I'm clutching the Glock till it hit. Reloaded and dropped the remix.
Oh no, you got going. Thing is, the tree's hard to grab. See? Fucking slow. And hang it from upside down. They want us just like chest up.
Chest up?
Yeah, like.
Side of the camera, guys.
We are living, okay? It's real Puerto Rico.
Oh! Uh-oh. Are we doing this again? Looks like we found ourselves on a beach. Now, what beach could we what pinpointed destination on the map could we possibly be at today? We have loaded up into a whole new server, man.
The situation come and complicate, most nights are lonely, baby. You don't even notice. Oh no. Eventually.
Yo le iba a grabar, pero en baja calidad. Y ella me dijo que no está. Es una maldita loca, una ratatá. Ella lo que quiere es que la ponga en 4K, 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 4K.
All I know is sexual altercation, you know what I'm saying? Just a bunch of that pussy. You know what I'm saying? Big every day.
Wait. I didn't get enough space. Do it again.
All my diamonds shine, cause they really diamonds. Bad bitches in line, they be really trying. They ask me if I'm high.
Damn, bruh. Can I touch you?
This is the spot right here for you. Cheers, my guys. You gotta give it some real sucking pause. Pause.
Please tell me you got that. Please tell me you got that.
Yeah, give it a good suck.
Yes, sir.
Give it a good suck.
Tastes like cheeks, innit? Straight cheeks.
This shit ass.
Yeah, it tastes like straight cheeks, but I can't lie. Aura. Hey, I will keep smoking.
It literally feels like
I will keep smoking this shit until the day I die. From today, I'm a cigar man now. Chat to me.
Hey.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, no, this big professional leagues.
I don't do that.
You're not a small boy if you're smoking cigars, man. You're a top boy.
oh my god, green.
I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys time to acknowledge the greatness he just performed here. This is class, absolute class. Yep, he knows ball.
This is a setup move because he thinking once again I'm going around him, so now he's trying to cut me off. So at this point, when I hit him with the between, I give myself more room, which is called a step back.
Oh my god, green.
Man, you guys smell kind of good.
I find it hard to think. Some days are easier.
Bruh.
45 to an hour, yeah.
A taxi to the transport spot.
Right, yeah.
All right, man. Tell me why this motherfucking Uber driver, Joel.
Shout out Joel.
He did his right, but I did not appreciate one. Apparently in Puerto Rico you can run red lights like it's no man's business.
And he was doing that?
It's like a stop sign. Yeah, it's like He said no cameras, no problem. Two, the nigga was showing us videos of dudes dirt biking while he was driving.
He showing us IG Reels, YouTube videos
while he was driving. Like he had no business doing that.
I'm not gonna lie to you. This Brett whipped out his phone from nowhere and said, yo.
Nah,
look at what these kids are doing.
He said, no. I watched him search up the names, scroll through, find the video he wanted to show us.
He went on YouTube. He
went on
skipped
YouTube,
the whole
searched the video, was scrubbing through, trying to find the right part while driving.
Every Sunday.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang, they're so deep.
This is the
And then on top of that, he was driving at 40 fucking miles an hour on the freeway when we're supposed to be going 60. I'm thinking, bro, Joel, you don't want to take us home, my nigga?
I didn't even know that part.
You don't want to speed up, my boy?
It was raining. There were a lot of us in the car.
I guess. But 40? At least go 50. And then the last part, yeah. Joel does not know how to use his blinkers. That might be me over.
I think that was a Puerto
reaching.
Rico thing.
That might be a Puerto Rican thing. But there was moments where
Did
he
not
was.
use a blinker once.
If this is the lane, he's like this. Like he's not. He's like 75% in the lane, 25% out, cruising. One hand on the wheel like this. Oh, IG reels. What kind of music you guys listen to? Reggaeton? Oh, where you from? Cameroon? Y'all listen to reggaeton? Bro, oh, put on some Makusa. Oh, group picture. All right, so we're now you go first. I'm trail dusting over here. Oh, sucks to be you. Well, yeah, we got a rainforest excursion day today. Ladies and gents, it's currently raining, which is not a good sign. We're gonna get soaked. And I only brought one extra shirt that will probably provide me no additional fucking protection. But we got our Uber. Nice little Mitsubishi, okay. And here's the scenery for today. It's calm. Just fitted up, ready for today. Ooh. Extreme crop. I'm talking about extreme crop. Get there. Get me. Bruh, I fucked up my crop shirt so bad.
It's pretty.
These bitches are tank tops.
It's pretty tanky. You know what I'm saying?
On the rock wall, it's like a tiki face. It's got a unibrow, 2 eyes, a mustache, and like a square chin.
Where are we looking?
So that's La Cara del Indio, the rock wall that you kind of see there. You can make a face out of the rocks. In the distance, you have Luquillo Beach. That's where they have the kiosks, the jet ski rentals, at the bars and restaurants by the water. The town of Luquillo, where you can see the towers. In the distance, where you see those 2 peninsulas, that's where they do the Bio Bay kayaking. Also, they have these secluded beach areas you're gonna find, and to the indigenous people, a source of protein. Puerto Rican escargot. If you're out here stranded, naked and afraid, you can grab some of these to survive another day. They got the trident snail. This guy, you always find him eating the moss.
We're in tune with fucking nature. Nature babies in the building. Raining like shit, man. And we vibing. Getting the true experience out here in Puerto Rico.
People wanna know what we do. I'm vibing cause I know I'm with you. It's been just me and you in this coupe, and we've been through this
Get up, boy. Not the Benjamin! Not the penny!
In the rainforest with it.
You know, this is really my natural habitat. I don't know, but I really come from this shit. I was once an indigenous tribe native. I moved to the burbs, built a life for myself. But, you know, every once in a while, you gotta come back and touch the ground. Touch the earth. You feel me? So, Azad, where are we today?
We are in El Yunque.
El Yunque National Rainforest.
Heavy on the rain.
Touching the leaves, getting in tune with nature, taking natural showers.
I just ate a wild snail.
Yeah, man, we're feasting out here. This is what we're meant to do with our lives. 9 to 5s? Hell no. This? Hell yeah.
T. This activist, by the way, I promise. Oh, God.
Okay, my money way longer than a NASCAR race. I told her keep going on the gas for the brakes. Only here for one night, let me put it on your face. Let a nigga nut, only way I go to slay. Ruler rockin' know the Frank Mueller. I know some hoes with good head, fuck a tutor. So many hundreds, how the hell I'm gonna lose them? Put me in the jacket, on the rape, and now I'm cool. Play with my money, I'ma let a nigga do it. Play with my money, I'ma let the nigga do it. Play with my money, I'ma let the nigga do it. Play with my money.
Yeah. I do not accept your apology. Just let me be, just let me free. Give me a little space, step back, let me breathe. Give you the cold shoulder, I really hope you free. Until you burn, almost have me in Burberry. Turn you to a brother, ain't tryna get married. Wanna trap me, cause the money unheard. Burn you to a god that I'm not soon buried. This shit piss me off, you're too suspicious. Too ridiculous, love ambiguous. Now we broken up, and I can fix you up. Way past giving up.
Toma, que 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 toma, toma, ay, toma, 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 ay, toma, 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 ay, toma, 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 ay. Quiere chapa, toma chapa, quiere chapa, toma chapa, quiere chapa, toma chapa, toma, 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 quiere chapa, la tengo durita, suavecita, la piel limpiecita, soy la perra que tú necesitas, obra de arte que te debí. Quiere chapa, te doy chapa, si me gusta yo te doy la ñapa. Soy una cárcel con seguridad, que si entras en mí no te escapa. Bájame duro.
on me, but I bet a new nigga can't hit it like me. Show me one nigga that get it like me. I'm wearing my clothes, now he feeling like me. If you ain't got racks, you ain't living like me. Ooh, name one nigga that did it like me. She got a new man, she was tripping on me, but I bet a new nigga can't hit it like me. Show me one nigga that get it like me. I'm wearing my clothes, now he feeling like me. If you ain't got racks, you ain't living like me. All of my mentors, I know
okay.
he a fan.
That was so funny with the hair. We look like goddamn Master Chief.
I'm not getting this shit done.
So we're about to go to war, man. It's Halo Reach 3 days, man. The grunts are gonna feel my fucking schlong, slapping them up.
Okay, my boy.
Silly. Uh-oh.
Who of you guys have driving experience?
Me.
All of us. Okay. But out of the boys, who has more experience?
Me.
Okay, you're gonna take the red one, and then you guys are gonna take the blue ones.
Oh,
one
yeah.
of my girls is gonna take.
She gave me the big dog. She gave me the big dog. Why? Cause I'm that nigga. She said, "Who got the most experience?" Me. It's me, nigga. It's me, nigga. Yeah, big dog status, nigga.
She know who I am, she know I ain't just anybody. I got straight to the money, now I'm always shopping. I ain't picking up the phone, money calling. It was back in the day when I rode a Charlie. Won't go back, never change, you know how I'm rocking. Fuck the fame, it's a trap, Hollywood demonic. Buy a crib for my kid.
Motherfucking speed racer in it. Motherfucking speed racer on this bitch. We got. Where we at, man? Fuck.
Real bad man thing, yo.
We're at the riverside, you know.
Real bad man. Yo, hold on.
Wait, how do we get here though?
Hold on there. Let me tell them something. You have to understand. We're outside in a Puerto Rico.
In a forest, yeah.
In a forest. We are driving motorbike, quadrobike.
That automatic transfer vehicle. Automatic transfer vehicle, yeah.
Booyaka.
Yeah, and we lit though. We're taking a pit stop in the middle of our journey. The river water is dirty and muddy because it was raining like shit earlier, and we were supposed to be able to swim in this, but I think if I touched that water, I would immediately get swept away and meet my fate with Jesus Christ, my Savior. So yeah, we're just gonna chill, get a cool little drink. Yo, shout out my guy Hendrix, W Tour Man, W Tour Guy, what am I saying? W Mans, W Tour Guide, and W Tattoo Artist or something? What we rocking with, man? I feel like a goddamn avatar, man. What is it? Yahweh? Fucking way one with what do avatars say? The blue ones, like way
of the water.
Way of the it's not. Yeah, no, I'm fucking wanking.
Y'all tripping.
Ah. Oh, looks like my cup is empty. I wonder what could solve that problem.
In person, they gon' suck your dick. They just hate on the net. In person, they gon' suck your dick. They just hate on the net. Yeah, they just
That's a new one.
Julio
Glad that baby's taking all the best, she blowing bubbles. Just catch me on the court, I'm balling, hitting triple doubles. No, don't play with all my heart. Don't talk to me so soft. I'm not trying to be like God. I'm just chilling, playing cards. When we keep it smoking, we blessing. I'll go
go straight to the mob. Fucking in the backseat, looking at stuff. Boobs go bouncing, wearing no bra. Now we go bounce up in my bed, just looking at the Giants getting locked. If one bad look gon' get you hot, you mad I got your girl, don't stop. Got her lips up on my neck, I got her lips up on my cock.
Girl, you single, not for long. If we was ranked, you being brown. I'm Jay the GOAT, it's not LeBron. I'm at the party playing pong. Pass me the joint, bitch, fuck a ball. You think you lit, but I'm a bug. With white HB, we sippin' mud. We don't make no crip or blood.
Person, they gon' suck your dick. They just hate on it.
Okay, arriba, abajo, ascenso.
Okay. What's going on in the back? What's going on in the back?
Okay. So how many cousins that can get lit? Yeah. And we all get along? Yeah. More life, more blessings, more money, motherfucker!
That's giving power play, boss lady vibes. Power play.
Have my babies, but I cannot do that. I got a lady and she's so crazy back and forth. In my wallet, it's a cemetery. In love with the green, but little bitch, I'm not no vegetarian. I'ma remember this when I'm up and I'm legendary. Pull up with my fist, they give you kisses, not no February. Big drip like a fish, little bitch, yeah, I'll be pescatarian. If I was toting blicks, little bitch, it's so ribs for you, cause I won't miss. Glocks, they tuck, goddamn, they big as fucking shit. Hollow tips, my bullets, they gon' penetrate. Oh my god, you toasted like a fucking bread. You don't want no smoke. Uncle's breath after smoking up a cigarette. Smoke you like a blunt, make you flow. Clothes not from here, came over bow. A quadriplegia, your money don't grow. It's a good day, my Glock came with extendo. If you useless, I'ma kick you out the door. She here for the streets, that's why she on the road. Blade on me, Michael Myers, she gon' get poked. You know I gotta keep it tight just like a cell phone. Hey, don't wanna smoke no more, keep smoking more, smoke like a photo car. Don't go to church no more, can't preach no more, please come and save me, God. Don't know what to do no more, I have no clue, I lost control. Back then wanna be a pro, scoring goals, now I'm pouring foes, whoa. I'm pouring out two foes, feel like COVID. She gon' slide on my boy, bitch, I'm sorry. Yeah, she play with my jokes, it like a Atari. I don't want no bride, I want me a body. Green, bitch, I want that green. Bitch, I wanted it since I was a kid, I did. Double C, I don't ride no double G. Said she bouncing on my dick, hold on. Said she bouncing on my dick like trampoline. Yeah, she bouncing up and down like it's bungee. Yeah, Yeah, she love my dick, she call me number zero.
About a week ago. Fuck with us and then we tweaking, ho. Run up on that nigga, get the squeezing, ho. Everybody catch him, bullet, ho.
Condado Plaza. This is San Juan. This is new San Juan specifically. We're walking to our destination. The fucking Uber took us to the wrong spot. We're gonna rate her 2 stars. That old hag. Oh, we're actually not even gonna rate her. Yeah, we're gonna lie and say that she tried to kidnap us and then try and get her Uber account banned, because why is she making us walk? I know my legs are strong, but shit. It's kind of windy. Hope the wind isn't fucking up the audio too much. But yeah, it's a nice day though. Looks like it still might rain. We'll see how this shit goes. Let's see. Haha. Water is very, very nice.
When the water
Very. Enjoy.
Bread if you don't like. Come on, man. Don't eat bread, you're just friends with. Cheers.
But you gon' get spanked if you think that you're bobbing. And I got the bank in my left and right pocket. Damn, ooh, Scott got it.
Where are the sheets and bottle ads, biz?
I wasn't having this shit, I came back with that 50 and let it off. You know it was God like Queen Latifah, baby boy, I set it off. Bitch, 223 got your nut with her, he must have thought it was running off. She said she working for me, so she called it off. I like the Rockets, not Perkins with Tylenol. We pulling out, trying to cancel with me. Where the money at? Ask me, nigga. Do not disturb, I'm not answering niggas. Soon as the birds start chirping, I tap in. We ain't shooting that feed, we ain't trying to make it tap down. I'm a 2-purse, I need a lap in the city in a black lamb. I feel like Batman. I'm a stadium, she popping that pussy on handstand. I get a mini Drake on me, I promise you be gone in milliseconds. The package that you was waiting on, I'm at your door, got innocent. I say hello, tips, instant message. Applying the suppression, I'm giving them extra. I got more glass than Cinderella. I rock the nation, they just signed me to Rockefeller. I'ma let the Drake sing acapella. Nobody's safe, nigga, you and your brothers. 10 toes down, nigga, fuck a rose petal. I'm in the phone and I'm mashing the pedal. I'm global now, I got international favors. Bust down patty, bitch, I gotta have it. O2D boy, cause I'm down in traffic. I really rock out, Lenny Kravitz. Bitch, I was jugging and robbing like baskets. This man road boy, bitch, you got bring your best. I know we gon' make it all this time that I invest. Features going up, bitch, my crap been perfected. Hollows like germs, bitch, you gon' get infected. On that DJ screw, I'm really from Texas. I got the black hotter than the desert. O2D walk down in this forever. Say you gon' smoke me, bitch, it can't go both ways. When you hop in the streets, bitch, you better look both ways. If we beat, then we slide through your block for like 4 days. Had a mask on my face, so that left for the cocaine. My tan look like I cleaned it with Colgate. Ooh, it's glistening, glizzy rolling like a Michelin. Throw away gun, I abandoned it. Crimes and investigating, not an ambulance. I wasn't having this shit, I came back with that 50 and let it off. You know it was God like Queen Latifah, baby boy, I set it off. Bitch 223 catching up with her, he must have thought it was running off. She said she working for me, so she calling off. I like the Rockets, not Perkins with Tylenol.
Well, we made it to the last day. You know, actually, everybody except Loris has left. Right and early, it's only 9 o'clock. But everybody, Anita, Kieran, Guffa, they left last night around 4. I said my goodbyes. Zed just left maybe 35 minutes ago. His flight's at 10, my flight's at 12:30. Still got maybe an hour to kill before I head out. The fuck is this, man? Whatever. But I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the scenery, the vibes on my last day. It's a beautiful morning. Oh, and it's Mother's Day. Don't forget to tell your parents, your mama, you love them. Don't forget to tell your mom you love her. This line is long as shit. This was way longer than it was in Dallas, man. Even in Atlanta. This shit's deep. I'm gonna make it home in one piece though, for surely.
Say you wanna slide here at the midnight. In the trap, I don't know what the rich like. You say you wanna come through, get your shit right. She wanna try, nigga, she don't want a rich guy. He a shooter, he don't even hold a stick right. I wanna know you had to choose, would you switch sides? I get a stick on me, I don't gotta get mine. Then you wanna side at midnight. Say you wanna slide here at the midnight. In the trap, I don't know what the rich like.
Bruh. My fucking... Damn. These niggas busted my fucking backs, man. My poor baby, man. My green on green, man. That shit's supposed to last, but not gonna lie, I did buy the suitcase at Marshall's or some shit. You know, it wasn't exactly supposed to be the most high quality bag ever, but damn, man. Like, these dents just like, it's like they just took a piece of my heart, ripped it out, ate it, and spit it back out at me. Spirit Airlines, my brothers. Cheap flights, but at what cost? Fuck. I'm waiting for my damn lift. It's 11:30 something. I was supposed to get home around 12 if everything goes well. Kia, Manny, this you, my boy? Yep. Okay, my nigga Manny just pulled up in the Kia K4. That shit kind of spiffy though. Yeah, what's up, Fru? Yeah. Bet.
She wanna try, nigga, she don't want a rich guy. He a shooter, he don't even hold a stick right. I wanna know you had to choose, would you switch sides? I get a stick on me, I don't gotta get mine. Then you wanna side at midnight. I got a bad bitch like oh my. And you wanna know me, help you like Roadside. I wanna know what happened to the old guy. You try to switch on me, you on both sides. Real niggas shooting like I'm on the court side. That nigga only shoot if he on Fortnite. Get a bob up and hit it with the torch right. What was you? I was stopping on the code.
Boom, bitch. We made it back to the motherfucking... We made it back to the motherfucking crib. Oh, yeah.
It's been a long day. Long ass travel day. Oh my God, it feels so good to be back home. I need to take a shower, man. First thing on my mind is just that shower. Ooh, is this even on? But yes! Shout out my guy. Made it back. That's it, man. Look, that's it. That's it for the vlog. Hopefully I keep these going, man. I'm gonna be traveling a lot more. And I want to keep making these types of videos so that I have something to do, something to keep myself busy. Plus, I just like creating fun videos and shit like this. So, yeah, team. That's all for today. That's all for this week. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking by if you did watch the entire video. And yeah, it's been real. I'll catch you guys on the next adventure. See ya.